Okay, so I've been told off. I've been told where to sit. I've been told not to say certain words because of the current situation at the moment. Hey, my God! Oh my God! I'm gonna get down. Oh my God! Oh, it's hot! Oh my God! I think I've been shot. Oh my God! Oh, just a scratch, just a scratch. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my God! Hey! Oh my God! There they are! Get down! Get down! Oh, that's hot! Hot! Ah, it burned! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is serious stuff. What's going on now? Get down, everyone! Oh, get down! Get down! Sugar! Hey! Oh my God! He's gonna board the train! Oh no! Oh no! We're in trouble! We're being taken over! Oh no! Where's Lawrence of Arabia? Is that Lawrence of Arabia? We need Lawrence to save us. Oh my God, the flags are flying. Uh-oh, are we in trouble? Is that the boss? Is that the big boss? Are we going to die? Hope not. Come on, team. Come on, you guys. Is that it? War over? Is the war over? Oh no, it's not over. Oh my God! I give up. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. Oh, no. I surrender. Over there. I gotta go over here. Oh my God. Oh, off? Oh my God. Where are they taking us? What? Oh my God, I'm in trouble. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh dear, no. Okay. They're taking me out. Oh my God. One thing into another. This is dangerous. Oh no, where are we going now? Where are you from? Australia.
Australia.
Jordan, hey! We're in trouble. And you? Yeah, oh, good. David, Australia.
Welcome.
Thank you. Are we safe? Are we safe? Yeah, great.
Maybe.
I'll just stop this for a moment.